I.D.E.A.S 2022 by CoinDesk is taking place October 18th to the 19th in New York City, where you can learn directly from entrepreneurs leading innovation across digital assets, Web3, blockchain, and the metaverse. And my next guest will be speaking at the I.D.E.A.S conference. Please welcome Stephen Kaminsky, who leads strategic initiatives and special projects at Jump Crypto. Welcome to the
Thanks
show,
so much for having
Stephen.
me.
Great to have you. So Jump Crypto is a division of the Jump Trading Group, a formidable player in Web3 infrastructure development and investment. So, in this bear market, how are you looking at investing, and what is your overall crypto market outlook?
Yeah, absolutely. So, within Jump Crypto, we're very focused not only on the trading side, but also very much focused on Web3 and DeFi investing. One project that we're in particular really excited about is Pith, which is a project that is helping to solve the Oracle problem within crypto. And that is what I'll be speaking about at the conference next week, which I'm really looking forward to.
All right, maybe we can get into that a bit. So you're presenting on October 19th on Data Oracle's the DeFi TradeFi Bridge. Can you give us a bit of a preview?
Yeah, absolutely. So data oracles are a critical piece of crypto infrastructure. To define the problem, the Oracle problem is essentially how do you bridge the gap between all of the exciting projects that are happening and protocols that are being built on-chain with the data and information that exists off-chain. And oracles are an essential piece of crypto infrastructure to empower these protocols and projects to be able to access the data that they need. So Jump Crypto is actively contributing data to the Pith Oracle. And Pith is one of the leading Oracle solutions natively built on the Solana blockchain, but quickly expanding through the wormhole protocol into many other ecosystems. And again, this is a project that we're really excited about helping to support. And working with a number of others within the trading community as well as the crypto community to kind of help power this piece of infrastructure.
What kind of data are you powering into the oracles? What do you think is the top priority here?
Yeah, absolutely. So Pith today supports crypto, equities, FX, and metals. Really exciting that it does support non-crypto based assets. But today, Pith is focused on financial data. So data contributors, of which there are now about 75, are publishing their price data directly on chain. So they are publishing essentially every half second or 400 to 500 milliseconds what their view of the price of a given asset is. And then Pith is then taking all of those inputs and aggregating it into the Pith price. So again, today, Pith is one of the leading Oracle solutions for financial price data. When we look at the Pith roadmap, we expect the team to scale, well beyond just crypto, equities, FX, and metals. Certainly, Pith could support other financial assets like U.S. Treasuries or options or volatility products. But again, that will also be based on kind of the consumer demand, right? Pith being built for on-chain protocols, see what they're looking for. Sorry to interrupt.
What do you think is the timeline for traditional financial firms to, embrace this kind of automation? And do you see in the future a shift from these centralized traditional platforms to a more decentralized Web3 version of TradFi?
Yeah, it's a great question. My background is in traditional finance, and I think what's been really exciting to see, at least within the Pith ecosystem, is Pith has also served a bit as a bridge, bringing on a lot of traditional finance players into the crypto ecosystem. So whether, a lot of names that are newer to crypto, whether that be large trading firms that are more active in traditional asset classes, or large exchanges. We saw, SIBO announce their participation on Pith last week, which was a really exciting announcement for the network. So I think it'll take some time. I think as prior guests have alluded to, like the broader, regulatory environment as well as scalability questions probably are a bit of a roadblock before we get full institutional adoption. But I think really exciting projects like Pith help bridge that gap. And that's also what I'll be talking about next week, is how oracles serve as these bridges, not just between on-chain and off-chain, but between kind of the fun crypto blockchain on-chain world and the traditional worlds where a lot of the data and information exists.
Sure. I suppose one of the barriers for some more traditional institutions is, the risk. So I'd like you to go over maybe some of the lessons learned from the last bull rally. There was a lot of money that was lost in Terra Luna, Celsius, Three Arrows Capital, projects that could have done better risk management.
Yeah, I think what we've learned at Jump Crypto, and I think what a lot of the leading players in the space are focused on now is, building projects and investing in projects and partnering with projects and ecosystems that have real value and real utility.
Was Jump ever invested in Terra Luna?
That's not something that I can comment on here.
Okay.
But I do think, as it pertains to the broader kind of focus points, I do think that sharpening the pencil to really focus and zone in on ecosystems and projects and protocols that have real value, including the token themselves. Again, something we're really focused on with respect to Pith as well.
We did see that last month, FTX Ventures and Jump Crypto led a $20 million fundraise for an NFT wallet on Solana. So it sounds like you're really working and very bullish on Solana.
We've worked very closely with the Solana ecosystem and the projects that are built on Solana. We're really excited about what the Solana team has built already, and the level of enthusiasm from developers within the Solana ecosystem. You may have seen as well, Jump Crypto is building Fire Dancer, which is kind of a expansion of the Solana ecosystem. Probably others within Jump Crypto engineering that can speak a little bit more in detail on that front, but definitely working closely with the Solana ecosystem. And as well, something I'll discuss next week with respect to Pith and oracles. A key component, Pith was built on the Solana blockchain natively, but as the network and Oracle have scaled, we've seen increasing demand from other blockchains. And so we're really excited to announce that Pith is essentially fully cross-chain. Binance is now accessing the Pith Oracle, and through and powered by Wormhole, many other layer one ecosystems will have access to Pith. Which we think will really help that team scale in new ways in the next coming months.